morning, guys. So this is vlogmas day 2. How are you guys doing? Hope you slept well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do well to watch this video to the end. Let's go. This is the agidi that I prepared yesterday. I actually blended and sealed it yesterday. Who else loves agidi like I do? Like, I literally prepare agidi every day in my house. Kindly check out my channel for the recipe. It's very simple to prepare. Okay, thank you. Why are you scared? Keep quiet. It's okay. What is it now? Ada? It's okay. Oh my god. This your cough, no they go. I'm sorry, eh? Mommy? So sorry. You were sleeping. Mommy, how are you? Mommy. Hey. Hey, whoa. See this girl. Who be that girl where they talk anyhow? Who be that girl where they talk anyhow? Where won't do anyhow? Where won't see anyhow? Now your papa money. Look at her. Mommy, why are you so cute? I'm still wondering, eh? If I have my ovary, look at. Why are you so cute, mama? Why are you so cute? Color room, on a man woman a child. In a chazi lady, one. In a chazi lady, one. Mommy, how are you? I was preparing food and you were shouting. Guys, look at this baby. 1 month. 1 month, oh yo, mama. Okay, mommy. How are you? Why were you shouting? Why were you shouting? Mommy, come say hi. Ada? You see all these Ada, they can do shakara for a living. Anyway, I don't get your time. Waka Jory. Babe, que kule minaga? Kebi no? Oh, look at me. I've been losing my hair for the past 1 week. For the past 1 week, I've been losing this hair for the past 1 week. I'm so tired right now. What do I do, guys? Look at this hair. I've carried it for 1 month now. Carried it for 1 month. This is unlike me. When I gave birth to my first baby, I made omugo hair. Okay, I made omugo hair. like the one that can last me for a month and before I put to bed. So but now I went and made this cornrow that mommy, this one and shakara, she too like shakara, baby, you too like shakara, mwanama, oyo mom. I'm making my video and she thought that I was talking to her. See, I was trying to make to prepare stew, just a little stew that my daughter will take to school tomorrow. Egg and chicken gizzard to prepare it, just a little bit of stew, the one that she can take to school tomorrow. Let me quickly show you guys a shoe that my husband got for our daughter. My hubby just came back and he got this for our daughter. How do you see it? For me, I think it is fine. I was calling her to come and test it. Let's see how it will look on her. But then shakara no gree her. So yeah, he got two. This is not like her Christmas shoe, but I think he just likes the shoe, that's why he bought it. And look at this one, so beautiful. Newborn of the house, they did not buy for you. Don't worry, don't worry. I was thinking that this is not going to size her, but it was actually her size. This is how it looks on her. The reason why hubby bought the shoe is she needed a school shoe. Okay, the ones that she has is like canvas. I used to wash it every day, so I'm tired. I needed something that I can actually polish, or something that I can dust, just like this. So yeah, and they normally wear black shoes in the schools, but this one, I think she just like the shoe, that he just liked the shoe, that's why he bought this one. This is what I needed and it's looking so fine. Oh mama, say thank you. As a new mom, like I gave birth newly. Yeah, I cannot go out. Let me see, if I want to go out, spend some time outside, I cannot, because my child is not dedicated yet. So this vlogmas is just going to be so hard for me, because I will not be able to go out and create content like I want to. So you guys should bear with me, and I think this is going to be the end of this vlog. I will continue tomorrow. Bye loves, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye.